Hello, St. Catherine. Welcome to the Holy Herald Issue 7 Video Edition. I'm Connor McKinney.
And I'm Zach Stephen. Just recently was the St. Catherine's Feast Day celebration, reported on by Kira and Taylor. They took some great footage on the events we had. Let's go check it out.
Bim bum, bitty bitty bum, bitty bum, bitty bitty bum, bum bum. Bim bum, bitty bitty bum, bitty bum, bitty bitty bum, bim bum.
Church things, lot of crosses, lot of
was that the Celtic cross?
yes, lots of Celtic crosses. Yeah. That design is very unique to Ireland. Years, do you think that's true or false? Do you think that's true or false?
My favorite part of today was probably the shamrock gliding with Mrs. Hoy and Mrs. Vogt. My favorite part of today was probably art. The most interesting thing I've learned about Ireland today is that only 9% of the Roman Catholic have red and orange hair. The interesting thing I've known about Ireland is that St. Patrick's name is actually not Patrick.
My favorite part of the day was probably the ice cream social because we all just got to eat ice cream and play outside. My favorite part about today was probably the soccer and learning new stuff when things are in Ireland and how to play, and then having the races, which was fun.
Next, we have Gabe and Kira reporting on the play by Miss Malcheski's drama group. It was our first play here at St. Catherine's. It was a funny skit called Curse from the King. Here's some footage on the play.
That's the smell.
What am I to do?
There is only one person who could help him out of this mess.
Rumpelstiltskin! Rumpelstiltskin?
Rumpelstiltskin was known to be the cleverest person in the kingdom. Luckily, he had stopped by for coffee that morning.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What happened to your face?
He explained and asked Rumpelstiltskin for help.
I need you to find the most famous person we had to bring back from the castle.
Right. Find Justin Bieber and bring him over. So find Oprah Winfrey.
Not her. Sure, she's famous and all, but not in fairy tale land. I need to find someone that everybody knows. Like, everybody. Not just some random B-list celebrity who has a show on the E! Network.
Got it, Chief. One famous person in fairy tale land. I won't even know where to begin, sire, but I will do my best. Rumpelstiltskin bowed and set off on his way. Excuse me, but aren't you Snow White?
Oh yes, Steve probably wrote cliches before.
Probably.
And you're Rumpelstiltskin, that weird little dude who hangs out with the king and does all the good gossip. I know you anyway.
Maybe, but I'm not here for that. The king is under a terrible spell, and I must find the most famous person in the land in order to break it.
I doubt that is me. The press died down pretty quickly after the prince found me and woke me up. Paparazzi had a field day at our wedding. All the pictures of my evil stepmother ruining my special day with that poison apple strudel wedding cake, and not a single picture of the prince in that. Typical, just typical.
You know, I could use some help looking for the most famous person.
Will it make the papers?
Better yet, it'll make cake news at 10.
After everyone told the dwarves about the king, they too agreed to come along with the group that was getting very large.
Anything for a cold one. Soon they came upon a very fat wolf who was drinking a can of Slim Fat.
Forest dragon.
Don't worry, I'm not going to eat you or your granny. I'm on a diet. You got me good last time. You don't happen to have your video camera with you, do you?
Unfortunately, Mom took it away. Hey everyone, this is my friend, Wolfie.
Wait, you mean friend?
Can we put the past in the past and be friends, Wolfie?
I see.
They told the wolf about the king, and she wanted to come along.
Nothing. If you ask me,
Did I ask you? I don't remember.
look, this little rhyme is not how you get help for a problem. All of us can say it a million times, and nothing will happen. We need to ask our Lord Jesus to help us.
It's about time you figured that out. I can't put a real curse on anyone.
Oh, I see. The one true king of all?
Why didn't we think of this sooner?
Sometimes it's the last thing that people think of when they're in trouble.
I feel ashamed I sent you all on this quest.
That's all right. Look at all the friends we gathered here with us to pray.
My favorite thing about acting is that you can really be yourself and you can really become the character that you are.
What's your favorite scene?
Probably when Brecken's sitting in the chair, I come up with my coffee cup, I take a huge drink of water, then I spit take all over her face. And I got her consent to do that, by the way.
I do recommend drama to the other kids in the school. It's a lot of fun and it helps you be able to express yourself more.
Next, we have a report on our 8th grade farewell. They will be the first class to graduate from St. Catherine's. Here's some interviews from our 8th graders.
My favorite part about St. Catherine's was probably the education I got and the teachers.
I'm most excited in high school is for the friends that I'll meet and the new teachers.
My favorite part would be the awesome people, all the awesome teachers.
I'm kind of scared to go to high school, but I'm excited to be known for the first class.
My favorite part about St. Catherine's is it's a very friendly family community.
I'm going to miss the family here at St. Catherine's and the opportunities that I got.
I'm excited to sit in this school, but I'm sad to leave because I'm leaving behind a bunch of old memories, including like the old school. I'm gonna miss that a lot, and yeah.
We wish them good luck at Bishop Carroll. Next, Matt and Zach have made a science experiment for us to see how to make a volcano explosion. Let's go check it out at the science lab.
Hi, my name is Zachary,
My name is Matthew.
and we are the Holy Herald Science Lab.
Today we'll be making a volcano eruption using the following materials. Clay for the volcano base, some vinegar, baking soda, with a little bit of red food coloring dye.
The first thing you'll want to do is get a spoon, about a spoonful of baking soda, and dump it into the volcano.
Next, you'll want to take your vinegar and add about 75 milliliters to a container.
And you want to add a little bit of food coloring to make it look a little more lava-ish, I guess.
And stir so it all mixes together. When you think it's good enough and stirred well, you can start adding it to the volcano. And there you go, an eruption of lava from our clay volcano. Thank you for watching this demonstration of our clay volcano eruption.
Also, Gabe and Braden will teach us how to make homemade ice cream in a bag. Let's go check it out.
Hi, I'm Gabe.
Hi, I'm Braden.
Welcome to the Sienna Cooking Show. Today we are making homemade ice cream in a bag. So first we are going to dump the half and half cream, which is 1 pint for this size, into the bag.
Second, we're going to dump heavy whipping cream, and this is about 1 pint.
Now, we already measured out 1 cup of sugar in this bag, so we can just dump the whole bag of sugar in there.
Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, then we're going to shake the bag and mix all the ingredients together.
Alright, now we have little sandwich baggies, and we're going to dump some of the ice cream mix into them, and we're going to put these into the ice bags. And so just about halfway full, and then close it so there's not very much air in there.
And same thing for the other one. We're going to put the sandwich bags into the ice bags. We already added some rock salt to the ice just with the freezing process.
So we've been shaking for about 5 or so minutes, and the cream is starting to thicken up a bit, so it's more towards ice cream. And as you can see, it's almost finished. So we're going to just try it right now.
That's good ice cream.
Good ice cream. So, thank you for watching. You can try this at home with your parents, and as you can see, you'll have a good result.
Thank you for watching.
Bye now.
Noah and Brett have reported on a recess at school. They interviewed kids on the playground about the importance of recess.
I think recess is important because you can have fun, you can play with the Mary statue, you can have fun with your friends, exercise, pretty much everywhere. What? This?